Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply mute notifications in chat, like in Zoom. So there are actually a few ways how you can do it. The first one is just when you go to settings and you go to chat and now receive notifications for all messages, and you can just press nothing. Or when you are directly in a new meeting and you start the meeting, and now my voice is going to change because like audio is coming from here. Click more, click chat. And on the right top corner, you're gonna see this bell here. So we want to click on it and mute notification, mute. And voila, here you got the muted notification in Zoom. And this is, by the way, Alan Watts. Alan Watts is a wonderful philosopher, the postmodern philosopher. And this guy is goddamn good, by the way. I recommend checking him out. I love him. So yeah. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.